Well, it's great to be with Kathy Muni, a branch manager with Flite Financial. Welcome back to the show.
Thanks for having me on, Mike.
Yes, great to be with you. So we're talking about reverse mortgages. Exactly what are those?
Well, a reverse mortgage is a lot like a cash-out refinance that many of us did, but there's no payment. So it's a safe, government-insured program for seniors 62 and over, so they can access some of their housing wealth and put it to work for them. If they have a mortgage, it's going to be paid off, and then there may be tax-free cash available at closing, a line of credit that grows and compounds annually, a monthly income stream, or even a combination of those. And for people who don't have a mortgage at all, it is a great way to be able to fund longevity in retirement.
Lots of different options there. So how does one qualify?
Qualifications are very easy because this is a loan designed for seniors. So at least one homeowner has to be 62 or better. It should be on their primary residence. So that could be a single family home, an FHA approved condo, a townhome, 2 to 4 unit property if they live in one of the units, even acreage. There should be about 30 to 60% equity in the home. And even though there's a financial assessment, it's super easy because most of the time Social Security income works.
Okay.
Then also there's some counseling, but it's done over the phone.
Oh, very good. So, Kathy, how, based on your experience, right, who should choose a reverse mortgage?
Well, I have a lot of people that are house rich and cash poor.
Okay.
The people that are on a fixed income, they're worried about the cost of living going up and up. And so by using a reverse mortgage, they're able to pay off their mortgage and put hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars back in their monthly budget. I have folks that have no mortgage or a very low mortgage. They can get cash at closing, a monthly income stream. They can often have a line of credit for emergencies or even set that up for home health care later on. And then I have the folks that have retirement accounts and they're worried about the volatile market. The reverse mortgage often provides a line of credit that's another bucket of tax-free funds that they can use so the other accounts can recover and they can, let them last longer.
Okay, very good. And there's still a lot of common misconceptions about reverse mortgages. Can you clear the air on this today?
I sure can. In the last 10 years, there have been so many changes that are consumer protections. We call it the new reverse mortgage.
Okay.
But one of the myths is that the bank will own the home. The bank doesn't own the home. That's not true.
Okay.
Also, that a myth is that you can't sell the home or that all the equity is gone in a heartbeat. Not true. And some people call it the loan of last resort, but not anymore. Financial planners are using it as part of a strong financial plan.
Okay, so for those that want to move forward, what sets Flite Financial apart from the others?
Experience. We have helped hundreds of seniors to better their situation in retirement.
And I can hear it in your voice. It just sounds, she loves what she does. So tell us about how this makes you feel.
Yes, my team and I do love what we do. We've helped a number of people provide their family with an early inheritance to see how the money was used and enjoy seeing the impact. One couple provided their granddaughter with a significant down payment on a house, and another couple paid down their son's mortgage. They realized that helping their family earlier in life would change the financial trajectory of their lives. Being able to pay for private education for the grandkids was important to several folks. And Linda did a reverse mortgage so that her children didn't have to contribute to her finances every month. She wanted to be independent and not burden them.
Well, thank you, Kathy. And if someone wants to get in touch with you, how can they do that?
A reverse mortgage may be the right option for you. If you'd like more information and a no-pressure, no-obligation consult, call me, Kathy Muni, the most trusted name in senior lending, at 904-634-8899. Call today or visit our website at tffreverse.com. Of course, everyone with a reverse mortgage continues to pay property taxes, homeowners insurance, HOA if they have it, and they maintain the home.
Thanks so much, Kathy, for being on our show. And of course, for much more on this, head to our website. That's firstcoastliving.net.